5 advanced words, plus idiom. At the end, a short story with all the words. Let's begin. Turning point. A moment or event when things change significantly and take a new direction. Synonyms: milestone, decisive moment, watershed.
The invention of the smartphone marked a turning point in technology. Winning that scholarship was a real turning point in her life. That conversation with my mentor became a real turning point for me.
Soar. To rise or increase quickly and dramatically to a high level. Synonyms: skyrocket, rise, surge.
Stock prices soared immediately after the CEO announced the merger. Her confidence soared after she passed the difficult exam with flying colors. Rents in the downtown area have soared over the past year.
Pile up. To become larger in quantity or amount, often to an overwhelming or problematic degree. Synonyms: accumulate, heap up, stack up.
The laundry had piled up by the end of the week. Work started piling up after 2 people left the team. Problems tend to pile up when you keep postponing decisions.
Stick to. To continue doing or following something consistently, without giving up or switching to something else. Synonyms: continue, pursue, persist.
Let's stick to the main topic and discuss the details later. It's hard to stick to a strict diet when everyone around you is eating pizza. Let's stick to the original plan instead of trying to change things last minute.
Scattered. Distributed over a wide area, not concentrated in one place, lacking a definite plan, purpose, or pattern. Synonyms: dispersed, sporadic, disorganized.
His notes were scattered across the entire desk. Small villages were scattered along the coast. The presentation felt scattered because he jumped from one idea to another. His thoughts were so scattered that he couldn't focus on a single task.
Switch gears. To change focus, approach, or activity to something different.
Let's switch gears and talk about the budget. After years in marketing, he switched gears and moved into product management. He switched gears mid-conversation and started joking.
Short story using all today's vocabulary.
Mia already had a good level of English, but she still didn't feel fluent at work. Her phone was full of language learning apps, and her saved English videos kept piling up, but her efforts were scattered. Too many resources, too little real practice. Eventually, Mia realized that collecting more resources wasn't moving the needle. It was time to switch gears. So she decided to stick to one simple approach: picking up useful phrases from emails, calls, and YouTube videos, but only the ones she could actually use at work. Instead of saving dozens of new expressions, she focused on a small number of useful phrases and practiced them in short, work-related examples. That small shift became a turning point in her language learning. Over the next 3 months, her confidence soared. She could respond faster, sound less repetitive, and express her ideas with much greater ease.
Today we've learned turning point, soar, pile up, stick to, scattered, switch gears. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.